Hey guys, Omar here with ABC Austin Service Express, and we are installing an air conditioning system today, and we have to run the copper lines because they had the incorrect size copper lines. So it had a 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch, and now we're doing 3/8 and 7/8. So that'll be done the right way here. Let me show you guys. So see here where we're getting ready to solder. We got that piece right here. We solder one, we're gonna take it under the ground, goes through some PVC, and there's the other size which is incorrect, and it has to go into here. So the plan will be to solder both ends and then push it to get the right size copper in there. So call us for all your air conditioning, heating, refrigeration. Oh, let me take you guys inside really quick. Take you really quick inside. And here is the inside. We got everything out already. Your base, filter base. We're gonna put a new gas line, new cutoff. And then outside, of course, is the old equipment, the new, it's the old one. Coils in here. Got some trucks. Another truck over there. So call us for your air conditioning, heating, and refrigeration needs. 512-448-0532. You can find us on the web at www.abcaustinacandheating.com. Okay, see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.